Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to center header menu position in Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Centering the header menu in Shopify theme involves modifying the theme's code, usually through the theme editor or by editing the CSS directly. Follow these steps carefully. First, back up your theme. Go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Store, and then Theme. Click the three dots or the Actions drop-down for your current theme and select Duplicate. This creates a backup in case you need to revert changes. Step 2. Access the theme editor. In the theme section, click Actions on your current theme. Then select Edit Code to access the theme's code files. Step 3. Identify the header menu code. Look for the header.liquid file, often located in the Sections folder. Tap on the sections and look for header.liquid. Find the code responsible for rendering the navigation menu. It typically looks like for link in navigation. If you're unsure, check for the word navigation or menu within the file. Step 4. Modify the CSS. Locate the assets. Tap on the assets folder in the theme editor and find the CSS file, example theme.css or styles.css or theme.scss.liquid. Add the following CSS at the bottom of the file. Replace .site/header menu with the class used for your header menu in your theme. Use your browser's inspect tool to identify the current class if needed. Step 5. Save and preview. Save the changes to both the liquid and CSS files. Then preview your store to ensure the header menu is centered properly. And last, adjust responsiveness. Check how the menu looks on mobile devices. Add media queries if adjustments are necessary. Step 7. Publish changes. Once you're satisfied, publish the theme. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.